So we're back, and our next task is to get all of the smoke alarms up and to make sure all the batteries are still working well and to test them all and clean them. So we've got a bunch of them. We found this one, which is super old, and so I think we'll probably replace that with a new one just to make sure.
Our house was built in '76, and this was from that long ago, so
and it doesn't look like it's been cleaned. So I've got my vacuum here, so we can suck up that if we want to keep it and still use it if it works. Otherwise, you can also reverse the suction on the vacuum to blow out, and so you can blow it all out also.
And this one doesn't actually have a battery that I know of. I think it just connects to the electrical of the house. But these other ones, these newer ones that I just got, they have the battery in there as well. And that'll help you test it, and you can make sure you can actually pull the batteries out and test them to make sure that they have some charge left in them. So I'll go ahead and test this.
Some people say to replace them, every 6 months or so, but there's still charge left in them, and we don't really want to waste that charge just because it's just harmful for the environment. So
and this battery's still good, so I'll put it into one of these new ones, and then we'll go ahead and put the new ones up since we have them. And then also we have a carbon monoxide if you want to show them that. You put that down by your furnace or somewhere like that, get it all set up. Also in a garage or something from the monoxide coming out of your cars. You just really want to be safe about that kind of stuff because it is very harmful. And the smoke alarms are so important because you don't know when a fire is going to start, and when it does, it's good to have some protection there, so you can grab your extinguishers as well and get that fire put out, or call 911, whatever you have to do. So.
Yeah, and then do we test them?
Yeah, and then we'll go ahead and test them.
them.
There should be a little test button. If the batteries are working, let's see if this one works. Cover your ears because it gets pretty loud here.
That one's dead.
Maybe. Yep. Yep, so it definitely is working. So yeah, you're going to want to test those to make sure that they are still working, and you want to blow them out, clean them up like Becca was saying to get the dust out of there, because those little sensors can get clogged with dust and particles and things, and then they won't work. So you want to make sure that they're working and you have a safe home in case there's a fire
as
start.
soon as possible, because
it's very important.
You never know.